Today we found a location where we put all of the dreams to discovery that students had written on little pieces of paper in May. So we took all those pieces of paper, we put them in a box, and we took that box and we put them inside of the wall. It's in the prep room on the second floor here, the Math and Sciences Center. And we got it in just in time because there are very few open walls anymore in this building. The design was one that I think was reflective of what the community needed or what we need now, but also thinking much more long term. So that even just the design of this building is pretty incredible. As far as like this room, so when I just kind of stand in this room and I look around, so it's like these ceilings are really high, this room itself is really large. And what I imagine happening is if you're a kid and you walk in this room, you really think that like, all right, there's lots of space, not just for me physically, but for me intellectually, to really think big. Because like, there's a lot of room in this room that I'm in. There's a lot of space, so I can really extend myself and think about things more broadly than maybe I can in other spaces. It's also got tremendous lighting here. There's the you sort of experience what I think is our campus is really unbelievably beautiful. So you get that sort of outdoor campus sort of comes into you with the windows and the light that we have coming from several different exposures. And it's a really welcoming space. So it's a place where you're going to walk in and you're going to want to be in here for a while.